How's it going today? My name is Matt. We're here at MarineMax Gulf Shores. We're going to be looking at the 2022 Solstice 260 today. It's our 26-foot pontoon. It's going to be powered by a 300 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke. If you follow me to the deck, we'll take a look inside. Here we're going to have our extended swim platforms. With the slide, which is the water is controlled right there. Storage and all your seating. It's going to come with the upgraded JL audio, which comes with 8 speakers, 2 amps. This particular boat is going to have the dual batteries with the battery switch, which is good for if you dock or anchor. Won't drain both your batteries playing music. Comes with the dual helm seats, both Ultra-Lux high chair. It's going to have the 9-inch Simrad chalk plotter and sonar. It's going to have your table at the bow, good for docking up at your favorite restaurant, bringing it back to the boat and enjoying it on the water. Let's take a look at the upper deck real quick. If you take a look up here, you have some security railing. You also have a security chain on the slide. You're going to have control of your audio up here with 2 dual speakers and dual cup holders, and also your stern light. This boat is available now. Come see us at MarineMax Gulf Shores. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.